Hey guys, welcome back to Cora's Cozy Castle, or welcome if you're new. In today's video, I am finally decluttering and getting rid of a ton of things in my laundry room. This room had gotten really out of hand, so I'm ready to pull everything out. I got rid of 2 full trash bags, and I relocated a lot of items that did not need to be stored in this room at all. So I'm starting out here on the bottom. We did have a leak, so that is why the cabinet looks like that in the back. I need to paint it. It has been fixed, but yeah, that was not too much fun. So it looks really bad under there. But this is the only cabinet that is really like one that I use all the time because I like keeping the detergent down there. Guys, I'm only 5'3", so reaching the other cabinets can be a little bit hard for me. So I like to put things like the detergent that I need like every single day where I can reach it really nicely and easy. So this closet right here, or this cabinet, doesn't turn out as totally clean as the other ones, but I'm happy with it. It's functional, it's cleaned out, and it's just really nice to have everything in its place and knowing where it is. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you like videos like these, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and the notification bell so you don't miss a video from me. I would love for you to join me here on my minimalist journey. I hope that you guys are having a great day. Going through this cabinet as I'm pulling down stuff, like the rat poison that I'm pulling down was from our old house, and I realized how long it had been since we lived here and that I had never really addressed the laundry room, that things have just gotten put in here and just stored, and oh my goodness, I was so glad to get rid of all that stuff. It just felt so good. I kept just filling the trash bag up. And like I said, I had 2 trash bags full when I was done with this. But you know, I was thinking about this as I was kind of doing this voiceover. If you guys can only tackle, like I'm doing just one cabinet here now, or the bottom cabinet, start with just one cabinet. It doesn't have to be the entire room like I did in this video, but it will make you feel so good to just get one space. Like maybe it's the space that you use all the time. Just do that one space, and I guarantee you that it will just make you want to do the next space. And then just take it a little bit at a time if you need to do it that way. I have been doing decluttering now for about a year. So I feel I'm a little bit quicker at it, and I get more excited to do it. But if you're, brand new, or you're trying to do a minimalist journey, or you're just trying to declutter, just take it really slow. The feeling afterwards is great.
All the nights that end in heartbreak gonna pay off someday. And the pain that you're feeling gradually fades away. 'Cause I'm growing up, falling in love, giving your all might not be enough. Just trust your head and your heart, that's what my mama said. I wish I could freeze this moment, just never let it end.
already decluttered. There are 2 closets here down this hallway, and then you'll see me go out the door here. That's actually to our garage, which you can see the garage doors, and our trash, we keep it right there at the door. But the other 2 closets have been decluttered and organized. I do probably need to go back again and kind of just look at everything in there. I do really strongly suggest that if you declutter once, definitely go back a second time, maybe a couple weeks later, a month later, however long, and just give it another look and see if there's anything else that you can get rid of. But those 2 closets are good. I just needed to kind of get some of those items that I had already kind of stored in that closet back in there.
Felt I'm done with the defense. Drove back and climbed over your fence. Had to show you that I was a mess. So you were shrugging your shoulders. I'm closed off, that's what I told you. Soon enough, everything started to change. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. Riding on the dizzying heights. Like nothing could stop.
Hey guys, I just wanted to pop on here real quick and reintroduce myself if you are new here. My name is Kristen. This is Cora's Cozy Castle, named after my little 5-pound dachshund. I am a wife to my husband, Jeff. We were high school sweethearts. We'll be married 17 years this September. We have 3 beautiful boys, ages 13, 9, and 3. I do minimalist cleaning here. I also am on a minimalist journey. So a lot of times I will do sit down videos and talk about my journey of minimalism. And then I'd love to do decluttering videos like these and just try and get my houses in order as much as possible. So if that inspires you or you want to join me here, then make sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight. Here I'm just getting my second bag of trash ready to go, and there it goes. I'm so excited to show you guys the final reveal. Now, I will say again, I probably will go through this room one more time, or I might try to move things. I thought about this after the video. I might try to move things where I just have one entire cabinet just completely empty. I think that probably would be the best. I just didn't think that kind of through while I was actually filming the video. And here I broke one of those light bulbs. My husband had been putting those up there because that's the highest shelf where nobody could reach above the sink, and it just shattered all in the sink. So I had to show you guys me cleaning that up. But I'm just going to give this sink a quick little wipe down, clean up, and then show you guys the after. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, again, please subscribe, like, hit the notification bell. I cannot wait to see you guys in the next one, and I hope that you have a wonderful day. Much love always. Bye.
You might wonder why I carried on with the things that made you lose your mind. There's no way I can undo what I've done. Can we be strangers again? Start fresh like a morning. What's so bad about that? So why won't you follow? Why won't you follow me home? I know I can't make you mine. Yes, I ran out of time. There's no hope for me. I fell down the bottom, so I fell down way deep. But if I can't have the real you, then let me make a 3D print of you. All my friends keep on saying that I'm better off alone. They don't know what it feels like, but I do. So you faded out while I watched it down, obsessed with myself. Wanna hit the reverse on what's broken. Can we be strangers again? Start fresh like a morning. But what's so bad about that? So